So we're going to make some birdie cakes, and this time we're going to be using some different ingredients. So we're going to use some, smash them all up, and we're going to use some almonds, some oats, and some egg, and some coconut. So let's get on with it. Let's make some birdie cake. What do you think, Pudding? Should we make some birdie cake? So we're going to use some eggs. So we're going to take 4 eggs. We're going to beat them up, and then we're going to put the carrot and swede in together, and we're going to mix the carrot and swede together as well. So obviously with the carrot and swede you have to mash them up. I've purified them before I put them in with the egg. So let's put them all in together and then stir the egg, the swede and the carrot together. So that's the egg done, and now I'm going to mash all of the carrots up so they're into a fine all together. Now it's all mashed with the egg. So just keep stirring until it's all mixed together. So that's that all mixed together. So that is now the egg. It's a treat. So I bought some chopped almonds from Sainsbury's, and I'm going to add these to them as well. That's the almonds all mixed in with it as well. I bought some coconut from Sainsbury's, and I'm going to mix some coconut in with it as well. So I'll just keep mixing until it's all mixed together. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes. It shouldn't take long. You have to keep checking it though, just in case it's cooked earlier, but I usually do it for about 30 minutes. It depends on the temperature you use as well, so sometimes it can be done quicker, sometimes it may need a bit longer. It depends on your oven. So I got some ginger in my last shop when I did my food shop, as you probably saw online, and I'm going to grate some of this so it can go on top of the cake. So here is my birdie cake just come out of the oven, and I'm going to cut it all up in a minute and show you what it looks like inside as well. I think it's turned out pretty well, if I say so myself. As you can see, it's a bit steamy because it's still hot, so it's making my camera all go a bit steamy. So we have the eggs, we have the carrots, the swede, the coconut and the almonds all in this birdie cake. So it's quite easy and simple, and I've put some ginger on top as well so you can see. So it tastes all gingery as well. So there you go, I've cut it open. As you can see inside, it looks really nice and tasty. If I was a bird, I'd love to eat this, but actually we can eat it because all the stuff in there is what we can eat as well. So you can join in with the birds if you want to.